Hello, all you beautiful people out there, and welcome back. I'm Shauna. This is Ring of Light Crafts, and we're doing a Dollar Tree special. As you can tell, my last one stuff is still on the table, but you know what? It's okay. So once again, we're going to need the Dollar Tree spackle. Unless you want to use a different type of spackling, feel free. Or you can also use cold wax. But we're going to use the lightweight spackling. And we're also going to use the white in the Dollar Tree paint, okay? It's acrylic paint. We're just using white and spackling with my old faithful knife here, Putty little knife, and the Dollar Tree ghosts. Now, these guys, they come in a pack of 5 at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, so approximately $1.33 with tags. So, these things are really, really cool, and we're going to have a lot of fun with it, so let's play. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is scoot your little ghost over in the same little spot, and though it may put some yellow in it, it won't kill it. We'll go ahead and put some little spackling down here. And I'm going to go ahead and add the white acrylic paint. This one is so hard for me to get paint out of. Okay guys, we'll go with that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to mix it up. Look, I'm going to get other colors in it. You guys do this on a clean area. I didn't think about getting that much of that coloration in there. But I'm not going to worry about it because I'm not going to waste this. I'm going to go ahead and use it. If nothing else, when I'm done, if I don't like the color it turned out, I can always paint it white. But so far, it's good. I mean, I have no issues with this. But we do want to get it nice and creamy like frosting on a cake. Do not eat this, children. None of my videos are made for children, but just in case a young one does see this, this is not food. This is poison. This is paint only to be used on our little ghosts right here. And we're going to have so much fun doing this because this is another little secret that's also going to be used on another project that we'll do here shortly after this video. So as you can see, I got it nice and mixed in there. But I think I want it a little more creamy, and you'll see why in a second. Okay, let me get this to squeeze out. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, I got paint on my shirt. Oh well. Anyway, so let's go right ahead. We're going to make this, remember I want it like a frosting or a cream marshmallow type thing. And we'll get this all nice and done. Okay. Now remember, this video is not for children. I kind of have to say that. I know you guys know this, but you know, safety first. So I'm going to go ahead and take my little ghost, and I'm going to take my little mixture here, and I'm going to add it right on, and I'm going to push it in there because I want it to stick. Excuse me, I'm going to cough. Oh my goodness. Oh my. So I'm going to go right ahead, and we're going to add this right on here. Get as much as that on there I can to start working with. We're just going to start smoothing it in there, trying to make it stick. Now some of this will come off, you guys, but that's alright. It won't be wasted because the next project will use up the remainder. Let me get a little hold of this. Okay. Now to do the edges, if you want, you go around with your little knife or paintbrush and just take it off. Take off the excess if you want. You don't have to. There's no rules saying you do. Just take off that little excess. I'm going to. Now remember, we do have our little eyes here. I know I hit them. I did it the whole way. You got our little nose. You got our little eyes. In case you're wondering, I am opening them up. We're going to keep them. I mean, once again, I'm not putting nothing on the back because this is going to go on to something else. Once these are made, they will be added to another project. And I'm also not opening up the little hole where the string will go to hang them on a tree because they won't be hung. So, but you can do that if you want, okay? No law saying you cannot. So we're going to go down here. Look how ugly that looks, you guys. So now here's the fun part. Now we get to start working with this. Now we just start moving it around, picking it up, opening up the eyes, And I want it to look like ice cream. I really do. I want it to look like everything just kind of like, I don't know, maybe whipped cream or something. If you can put that into relation to how this looks, is what I am going for. Because like I said, this will go to another project. So this is our happy little ghost. And we're just going to make it a little puffy here and there and add some little puffs to it. And we're just having fun. So we'll go ahead and get this last little section here. See how fast these are? The longest part. I'm so sorry, guys. The longest part of this is pretty much probably just applying it, because this is where you can play around and decide how you exactly want it to look. So with that said, we got our little ghost, and we're going to sit him aside. Let me show you the other one. And this is one I did earlier. Now, this one I did not do fluffy. I made it thick, and I had a harder time putting it on, so it kind of looks a little ugly. I like the little fluffies, because when they fluff up like that, they just look so cool. Now, this is the point you can start adding if you want coloration or paint, or you can add a little glitter, whatever you want to add. I'm leaving mine blank. Once it dries, you can add a little ribbon if you want, little berries, whatever you want is totally up to you. So this is our ghost, and I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. Right over here, little ghost, come on off. And set that one there too. And let me pick up that little bit that fell off, because why waste that? So, I'll be back. You guys, if you like this, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this. And as always, be blessed.